Origin AI is one of the most exciting AI tools to be released recently, and if you're wondering whether it's worth your time, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll break down 7 crucial things you need to know about Origin AI that could completely change how you use AI software in your business or personal projects. Stick around to the end because I'm going to share some insider tips that can help you maximize its potential. First off, one of the things that set Origin AI apart from many other tools on the market is its unique adaptability. Unlike a lot of other AI software, Origin AI doesn't just focus on one specific function, it's an all-in-one powerhouse. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or business owner, it can handle a variety of tasks from automating social media posts to writing emails and even analyzing customer data. This adaptability makes it a game changer for users across different industries. The second feature you'll want to know about is its user-friendly interface. Now, I know some AI tools can feel like they need a PhD to operate, but Origin AI simplifies the experience. With intuitive navigation, you don't need to spend hours learning how to use it. If you're just starting out with AI or if you're looking for something you can dive into immediately, this is a major win. Next up, let's talk about customization. Origin AI allows you to tailor its features to suit your specific needs. Whether it's fine-tuning its copywriting abilities or adjusting how it handles data analysis, you can easily customize the software to align with your exact business goals. This flexibility is perfect for marketers who need something that can adjust to ever-changing campaigns. Another key point, the speed. We all know how frustrating it can be when AI software takes ages to generate results. Origin AI's fast processing time ensures you get the output you need quickly, saving you time and allowing you to be more productive. In a fast-paced digital world, speed is critical, and Origin AI delivers on that front. But what about integration? Well, that's another area where Origin AI shines. It easily integrates with other tools like Google Analytics, Shopify, and various CRM platforms. If you're already using these tools, this integration makes it even easier to streamline your workflow and save time. One thing that can't be overlooked is its accuracy. Whether it's content generation or customer insights, Origin AI delivers results with impressive precision. This means you can trust the AI to handle tasks that traditionally might have required a human touch, all without worrying about errors or inconsistencies. Lastly, let's talk about pricing. Origin AI offers a completely free version, so you can give it a try before committing. Whether you're just dipping your toes into AI or looking for a solution that fits within your budget, this free version is a great way to test it out and see if it's right for you. Now, before I wrap up, remember that the free version of Origin AI is available right now, so make sure to check the first link in the description below to give it a shot. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and I'll tell you, Origin AI is up there with the best. To sum up, Origin AI is a versatile, user-friendly, and powerful tool that stands out for its speed, customization, and accuracy. If you're in the market for a robust AI solution, it's definitely worth checking out. I've also put together a list of other recommended AI software you can try for free, so be sure to explore those as well. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the links in the description.